for my mum and dad. Today's the day I won't forget, the very best one yet. You're dressed up nice, you're holding hands with happy hearts and wedding plans. I'm standing here so proud to say I love you both in every way. You laugh, you care, you always share, and you show me love is everywhere. Now you're a team, forever true, with lots of hugs and kisses too. And I just want the world to see how lucky you both are to have me. So here's a wish from me to you, for love that lasts your whole life through. Your mama and dad, my favourite pair, with so much love that we can share.
Hi, I'm proud to be Jazzmyne's dad. I want to extend my warm welcome and express my deepest gratitude for joining us on the joyous of occasion. Faces that we gather and celebrate the love and friends really warms our heart. As we can see that George look in your eyes, the way he treats you, respects you, there was something special. And for me, the father, I knew you were safe. And I would say to you, George, thank you. So my beautiful Jazzmyne, what have I got to say about her? She accomplished many wonderful, beautiful, astounding things. Jazzmyne Luke, I love you with all my heart.
I, Jazzmyne Rebecca May Luke,
take thee,
George
Cantona Lewis,
to
be my wedded husband.
My dear Jazzmyne,
This ring represents my love.
this ring represents my love.
I vow to love you and care for you.
I vow to love you and care for you.
I shall spend the rest of my life with you
I shall spend the rest of my life with you
and share everything I have with you.
and share everything I have with you.
You have both made the declarations required by law as well as the solemn and binding promises to each other. Today is a confirmation and celebration of your love, and it is the beginning of your newly married life together. It now gives me very great pleasure, and I do mean very great pleasure, to announce that you are now husband and wife, and George, if you so wish, you may kiss your beautiful bride, and we will all clap.
to my husband. He's my partner in crime, my best friend and my biggest supporter. In 11 and a half years we've been together, we've built more than just a house, we've built a home together. George, you're my best friend, my greatest adventure, and the person I want to share every moment with for the rest of my life. I'm so proud of the life that we've created, and I'm so excited for the journey we still have ahead. I can't wait to see where we go from here, hand in hand. So, to you, George, my husband, my love, my team, my everything, cheers to a lifetime of love, laughter, and inevitably, more tools. George and I do want to say thank you so much for everybody making the effort, getting all your beautiful outfits and coming and celebrating with us today, because I can't tell you, it means the world to us.
Hello everyone, my name's Tommy and I have the pleasure and honour to be George's best man today. Me and George have been friends for close to 20 years. I always knew that George wanted something different to us at that age, and I always knew George really wanted was to fall in love with someone, have children and make a home. And I don't think George could have picked a better partner to do that with. I don't think Jazz could have chosen a better husband, a better father to their child. I truly think there's nothing that makes George happier than actually spending time with his daughter Arya, and after today, his wife Jazzmyne. I have complete confidence in saying he would do anything and everything to make them both feel happy and loved because there's nothing in this world that is more important to him. With that, I would like to raise a toast to Mr. and Mrs. Lewis, their long and very happy marriage. Congratulations.
As you embrace the incredible journey together, my wish for you is always cherish the small moments, and something that you two are already doing, because you already have a home, you already have an established career, you've got a fantastic daughter, in which you embrace each other's quirks, you be with each other's confidence, you build homes filled with love, laughter and endless memories. Upstand, raise a glass, and wishing our newlywed a healthy and very happy future together to Mrs. and Mrs. Lewis.